All right, so James, I know you don't do price targets. Just looking at what the analysts are saying, overweight rating on Salesforce, 362 price target, about a 30% upside move from where it's trading at right now. Are you this bullish, as bullish on this stock? Do you see the same level of upside?
We are. I think that when they report, they'll probably meet or beat. As you know, they missed last quarter. We think the stock's cheap at 24 times earnings. And, you know, let's face it, investors have been frustrated with CapEx spending, not just with Salesforce, but trying to see AI come out the other side. And we think this might be the quarter we see it.
All right, so you think this is the quarter we see it. With that in mind, I want to get your take on their deal to buy Informatica. By the way, they've been working on this for a while. They had some other discussions. $8 billion deal. Informatica does data ingestion and transformation. As an investor, how do you view this whole thing? Because isn't data ingestion and transformation, isn't that what Salesforce told us they were already doing with Einstein GPT and some of the other things that they had there? I mean, how do you view an $8 billion deal to buy something that the company claimed it was already doing?
Yeah, I think this is a perception and reality issue, Frank. I mean, I think that they've said, yes, this is what we're doing. But keep in mind, this Informatica purchase, you know, what they do is they much more dramatically collect, classify, and cleanse data. And it's going to really accelerate Salesforce's AI platform called Agentforce. And so we think it's going to put a turbo booster behind that. And bring a lot more reality to the perception that they were already doing it.
All right. So what about some other parts of this business? One area, Slack was a big acquisition a few years ago. How do you see other parts of this business shaping up? And where are you seeing, as an investor, where are you seeing Agentforce adoption and also the horizon? Do you believe
that
I think
adoption?
That's the most no, I'm sorry. Go ahead, James, please.
Yeah, I think that's the most important thing. You know, how does Agentforce really crawl into the customer base worldwide? And I think, you know, that's not what we've seen over the last 4 quarters. It's been slow to be adapted. And you know, a lot of this is not just a Salesforce issue, as I mentioned earlier. This is across all these second derivative AI plays. What they need is time. Now we've had it. It's been, gosh, 4 quarters of really not getting where we need to go. We think across the business model, Slack, all the businesses will come out better than expected. And I do think that Benioff will guide higher in the second half as some of these tariff conversations and uncertainty go away.
All right, we talked a lot about platformization when it comes to cybersecurity, but in all honesty, that's what Salesforce is trying to do with its company. It's trying to be a platform where you kind of come there for everything. Slack not only do messaging, which is the primary use, but also video calls and things like that. They're trying to push people there. And then they have some other different, you know, cloud verticals. Is there any one of those that you're especially excited about? And if you're an investor, you should be looking at for results, either weakness, softness, or, you know, possibly an upside surprise?
Well, we hope the upside surprise is Agentforce. I mean, that is their biggest and newest venture and initiative. And we would expect the rest of the businesses to really do as well or better than expected. So big installed base. Agentforce is really going to be the number we're looking for. As a user of Salesforce at Main Street, we're wedded to it and everything related to it. And we think the results hopefully will show that.